How to delete Facebook page permanently. Now let's say you want to delete the page that you have created on Facebook permanently. All you have to do is to go to your main menu right here and then click on this arrow down right here in order for you to switch to your Facebook page right there. Now once you have switched on your Facebook page, all you have to do is to go to your main menu right here and scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. All you have to do is to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once you're here, you just have to scroll down until you find your information right here. All you have to do is to tap on Access and Control right here and click on Deactivation and Deletion right here. Now, all you have to do in order for you to delete your Facebook page permanently is to tap on Delete Page right here and hit Continue. Hit Continue again, and then scroll down until you find Continue right here. After you have entered the password of your main account so that you can delete this specific Facebook page, you can hit Continue, and after hitting Continue, you have successfully deleted your Facebook page permanently. So that's how to delete Facebook page permanently. Hope we helped.